Hey, the music stopped when I put the camera on, bitches. Hey, meal. Look at that. Got some fucking baked potatoes and some onions going on here. Bitchy McBitch tards. I'm not at home, I'm somewhere else. And I brought a kettle with me. But look at this, look at fucking that. Like, you know what? Fucking just blow me. That's fucking awesome. Alright, meal. I gotta cook. STFU. Shut the fuck up, bitches. Oh, here we go again. The thing just stopped. Look at that. Their fucking steaks are on. Bitchy McBitch tards. Onions are off. There's some fucking onions right happening right fucking there, eh? How about that? Eh? Bitchy? Look at those fucking puppies, right? Fucking beauty. Oh, there's my beer. There's my speaker. Let's drink some beer. Chives, fresh chives. Hugo Chives. Gotta like Hugo Chives. Alright, bitches. And I'm not at home, as I've said, and I'm cooking for somebody else. Woo! There's feet. There's feet. See? I'm not allowed to show the face. Just like me. It's not a problem. I got no problem with that. Look at that.
Beautiful.
Woo. Woo. Fuck yeah. Alright, bitchy McBitch tards. We'll get one shot, one's coming off, and then you guys can fuck right off. Cheers, big ears.
Bitchy?
Bitchy. Okay, bitches. The music always stops when I push record. You want the smaller potato or the larger potato?
Smaller, please.
Okay. This one has more girth. This one has more length. You like longer or fatter?
Fatter like me.
I resemble that remark. Okay. There's your potato. Okay.
Bless you.
You know what? Your steak's not going to fit on the fucking
Yeah, I know.
plate.
It'll fit.
Which one do you want?
I'll fucking make it fit. Whichever one's smaller.
They're both the fucking same.
The same one. Either one.
You left or right? Right
Left,
side? Left
left,
side. Okay, left. Okay, there you go.
Left Twix.
Oh, left Twix.
Oh
It's
my
the same as the
God.
right Twix.
God bless
Okay, you need to get my plate now.
Okay.
Call this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cuphead's too dirty.
Cooking. Eating. Oh my
Nom, nom,
God. I've
nom.
gotten bigger fucking plates.
Apparently. What do you think we had, like, junior steaks?
These are camp.
Yeah, so? The fuck do I care? I didn't take them. Neither did you.
Neither did I.
They were here when you got here. All right, bitches. So we're gonna get our potatoes rocking with chives and fucking butter and sour cream.
Yeah.
Did you bring sour cream out of the fridge?
Not yet, but I'll go get it.
Nice. Okay.
Cheers, big ears.
There you go. Where's my beer?
Right there.
Oh, look. There's a new one. There's a fucking open one. Whee!
Woo!
And we got some chives rocking, and even though it looks like a margarine container, one of them has butter. Well, that one's got butter, and I don't know that one has. Chives. Oh, onions. There's our onions. Fucking A. All right. That's it. I'll be back in maybe a minute once we're eating. All right, bitchy McBitch tards. I have not eaten yet.
And you need to, because it's fucking phenomenal.
Okay, look.
I'm already half done.
There you go. And there's some corns and stuff.
Oh my God.
There you go. Is it good?
Fucking amazing.
Right on.
Fucking amazing.
So the green bastard does know how to make like some kind of food, right?
Some kind? Every kind.
But was the pizza good?
Pizza's phenomenal.
There you go. See?
As are the burritos.
Oh, there you go.
As are the, what else?
The whatever they are?
The eggs, the quiche.
Oh, yeah. There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
All right, bitches. Cheers, big ears.
Cheers,
and
big ears.
You don't have a drink. Wait. Why don't
Oh,
you
it's
have a
over
drink?
there. I gotta go get it. Because I'm so I'm drooling. This is so fucking good.
All right, everybody. Ata. Call this. Thanks for coming out. Ata. I got a drink.
Lubbock Nuck.
You got her.
Rubber duck.